but it was enough to want to know more and to look further into what you do. So thank you.
Hello, hi. My name's Jackie. I'm a Gangaloo Manajali Gubby Gubby woman, and I'm from Bessie Point. Today this workshop has really opened up for me. I felt like all the systems in my body, in my mind, in my brain, in my heart were all blocked. But since coming in here, it's really opened up for me. This workshop has really helped me, and now I really can see things more clearer. I feel much better in myself too as well. Thank you.
This workshop was amazing. I had a very great time. It was very inspiring. It helped me to connect with my deeper self, my authentic self, my different emotions, but as well having joy and passing them by. So thank you so much. I feel very grateful. It was an amazing experience. Thanks. Merci beaucoup.
So I came in feeling like really cool to just be here. Didn't know why, but the description really fit with where I was feeling like the day would go. And I really love how Tom just held the whole workshop, like such a great teacher, and really reading the room and what we needed. It felt like really supported throughout the whole process, and the exercises are really short and sharp but very deep and meaningful, and really took us to some places where I wasn't expecting to go. I've done eye gazing before, had never cried before eye gazing, and when I was standing face to face with the woman who I was in my first exercise with, I was really feeling already from what we'd already been primed with to really value and honour the beauty that is unique in all of us. And so I was already standing in front of this human feeling like, wow, this woman is amazing. And then Tom just took us there anyway with this beautiful guided meditation, inviting us to step into really looking at that person and really seeing their story. And I was already right there, and then the tears just flowed, and I just knew that I was really in the right place to just honour others, honour our collective experience. It was really moving, but also I love how he brought it home, being really motivating. So really on this journey with him through all of the things that have inspired him, which are going to inspire us. And we're stepping out into this festival now feeling really awake and really alive and like, fuck yeah, what's next?